So in this expression, we are required to find the value of x, and this is our x here. And our expression, as you can see, is fourth root of square root of 8 plus 8 over 4 to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of 2. So the first thing that you want to do here is to simplify whatever we have within the fourth root, which is the square root of 8 plus 8, which is going to give us 16, and the square root of 16, we know it's 4. So here we are going to replace the square root of 8 plus 8 by just 4. So our next step will therefore be the fourth root of 4 divided by 4 to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of 2. And then you'll notice that we have got the base of 4 at our numerator and also the base of 4 in our denominator. And you know, by the exponent rule, when we are dividing the expression of the same base, we subtract their exponents. So we have got our 4 over 4 to the power of x, and we know that 4 is 4 to the power of 1. So our expression will therefore be going to use the same base and then the exponent minus the exponent of the denominator. So therefore our expression, instead of from this point, so our next step will therefore be the fourth root of 4 to the power of 1 minus x is equal to 2 to the power of 2. So the next step will therefore be to get rid of this fourth root, and we know that the square root of a, for an example, is equal to a to the power of half, and then the square root of, or the fourth root of a, will therefore be equal to a to the power of 1 over 4. So we are going to multiply our exponent by 1 over 4 in order for us to get rid of the fourth root. So our expression will therefore be 4 to the power of 1 over 4, because we are getting rid of the fourth root, into brackets 1 minus x is equal to 2 to the power of 2. And then from there we are going to simplify this. So 1 over 4 multiplied by 1 minus x, this is just going to be 1 over 4 minus x over 4. So our next step will therefore be 4 to the power of 1 over 4 minus x over 4 is equal to 2 to the power of 2. So as you can see, on the left hand side we have got a base of 4, but on the right hand side we have got the base of 2. But we can convert these 4 to be the base of 2 by saying 2 to the power of 2, and we multiply the exponent of 2 with this exponent. So if we are going to say 2 multiplied by a quarter, or 1 over 4, minus x over 4, so we are going to have 2 multiplied by, so this is going to be 2 over 4, and then minus, and then we're going to say 2 times x, so which is going to give us 2x all divided by 4. We have got the same denominator, so it's just going to be 2 minus 2x. So our next step will therefore be 2 to the power of 2 minus 2x all divided by 4, and we equate this to 2 to the power of 2. So now that we have got established the base of 2 on the left hand side and base of 2 on the right hand side, we can therefore get rid of the bases and then remain with the exponents. So we are going to equate the exponent on the left hand side with the exponent on the right hand side. So it is going to be 2 minus 2x all divided by 4 is equal to 2. And then the next step will be to do a cross multiplication, and you know that our 2, if we want to turn it to fraction, it is just going to be 2 over 1. So 2 is going to be multiplied with 4, and 2 by 4 is going to give us 8, and then equal to 1 multiplied by this, it is just going to remain as is, so 2 minus 2x. And then we have to take 2 to the left hand side of the equal sign, so it is going to be 8 minus 2 is equal to minus 2x. 8 minus 2 is going to give us 6 is equal to minus 2x. And then because we are looking for x, we are going to divide both sides by coefficient of x. So we are going to divide this side by minus 2 and divide this side by minus 2. So minus 2 and minus 2 are going to cancel each other, and then we're going to remain with x, and then 6 divided by minus 2, it is just going to give us minus 3. So therefore our x is equal to minus 3, and that is our answer. Thanks for watching.